Hello, welcome to the Job Trakr Web tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to use the moisture test reporting feature. Once you're done with your test from the plan view, you can click on the clipboard with the plus icon and select moisture to create a report. In the Create Report pop-up window, you will have the options to change the name, orientation, type, show task list, show floor plan, and show photos. Make your adjustments and click on Next. At the next screen, you will see the header, the job info, the date, our company, etc. As you can see, we have our diagram here with the color pins letting us know which are in range and which still need to be tested. The spreadsheet will show the readings for our different probe sites as we scroll down. If we scroll down more, we will see our task details where you can see the room drawing, room location, the history of the readings, as well as any photos with the timestamps on the media, as well as any comments. When you are done, click on Save. You can reach existing reports by clicking on the Reports button from the panel in the overview. Select the report you wish to view or create a new report. To create a new moisture report, click on the blue Report drop-down button and select Moisture. Then you will be brought to your task list to select between the different options. Click on the ones that you would like and then select Next. The following window will be the Create Report pop-up window. You will have the options to change the name, orientation, type, show task list, show floor plan, and show photos. Make your adjustments and click Next. On the next screen, you will be able to see a preview for the report. Scroll down to Review and click Save. These reports will be shared with anyone you may have included on your project, but if you need to send this over to another individual, you can click on the report to open it. Click on the down arrow to save the report to your computer or click on the envelope icon to share via email. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all Measure Square products.